So I hope you guys and girls found this video informative. If you have a Mach-E, if you have an F-150 Lightning, if you have this one, this applies to any single vehicle out there. If you're having problems with some noises coming from the front end, may as well get down there and start seeing if it's the wheel liner that's actually making the difference. In my case, that's what it was. But I was persistent. It took me probably 2 months to figure out what it was. I don't know what the difference was today when I was washing the vehicle, but it decided to show its angry head and I wanted to fix it. So that's been a major annoyance. Even when you're turning up the radio, you can still hear that jingle in the background, and that's exactly what it was. And all it was the fact that this little bracket on top is broken. So all I'm saying is be persistent, guys and girls. This is stuff that anybody can do, you know.